Alright, so here we are starting part 2. I'll just move out here real quick. There's somebody doing a demonstration out there. He's literally floating on the water. He just disappeared behind there. I hope he comes back soon. You have some of the older rigs. There he is. Look at that. That's sick. My man is just floating like Jesus on the water. No effort. That's amazing. You have to see this to believe it. This dude is killing it. He is killing it. Wow. Wow. Look at that. And he's moving pretty fast too. Wow. Wow. Cool. Well, I hope we find out a little bit more about that. Let's head inside.
They have a special when you're here, right?
Este es otro diferente que hicieron.
I mean, I'm like, aware, but I'm like, oh, that was me too. I was aware.
I don't know where to start. I'm just confused. Okay, let's start with Honda. But before we get there, there's the redsharkbikes.com. Check this out. It's got the prop underneath there. Steering. Looks interesting. There's their booth. And here you have Honda, some of their engines. Tiny little engine. From there you go up, 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 up. And these are all 12 volts. No idea on the prices, guys. Generators. Like a red. It's a Honda 225 VTEC engine. And custom marine products. Can get your name printed on any of those cups or anything.
Hi, how
Hello.
are you doing today?
Good. So what do you guys do? Do you print names on cups and other stuff?
Yeah, engraving.
Okay, engraving. There you go.
Engraving. We make everything custom with
Okay.
CNC machine.
Okay.
It's in Florida. We
Okay.
make boxes, knife holders, cup holders. We make any outdoors products. We
Okay.
just have all in the stock here, but we create more products. If you check our eBay store, or
Yes.
Nixie or Facebook, LDB Company products,
Okay.
functional products.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too, ma'am. So you guys saw their address. It's right here. And that's how you get a hold of them.
What's the zip code again? 3347.
It's furniture, custom made, very nice designs. It's pretty cool. Check some of this out. That's your website?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Good, good. So you guys can scan it and you'll be able to get to their website. But they make really cool stuff. Check this out. Looks rustic, but it's brand new. You can see some of their creations. Okay, let's continue.
Play Central, Kids on the Water.
What the product looks like.
Yeah, that would take 7 pounds of beer. Listen, kids playing around.
Sun Chill. Transform Saver.
Oh my god! He's like, last time I saw you were at Complex.
Oh, here's the thing the guy was using to float on the water. This is what it looks like. 2.1 kilowatt hour battery, extended range. Looks like up close. See, that's what's under the water.
Hey there. Yes.
Is this the what you have to hold in your hand when riding?
You want me to show you?
I saw the guy out there riding.
Okay, yeah. So you just you buzz through and you ride around like this. This controls it just like a gas pedal.
And how?
It makes you go forward, leaning side to side, and then if you want to come up, you just lean back. Just kind of like sticking your hand out the window like that.
Yes.
Kind of catch yourself.
Yes.
And then you're going around like that.
So is this the exact same thing the guy was riding? It looked like a surf, like it was longer than this.
Yeah, that's probably the Australian brand out there. So
Okay.
this is an American brand here.
And this is exactly what it looks like?
This is the same vehicle. Yeah, same vehicle as the e-foil.
Okay, so you did not cut it off here. It's
What's that? No, yeah.
It's not like a surfboard that goes back.
No, it goes under here. Yeah.
So
So
it
there's a
ends right
longer
there.
version. So the big version is more stable. The small version is more mobile.
Okay.
It depends what you want. Do you want to cruise or do you want to turn a lot and rip it up? So that's the differences.
And how long can it go? Like 30 minutes, 15 minutes?
3 hours. Yeah, 3 hours of pulling the trigger. So you take breaks, you chill at the sandbar at the beach.
Yeah.
It's an all-day event, you know?
Wow,
So
wow.
that's what's really cool about it. Yeah, we have the biggest battery in the game. So this battery, 2.6 kilowatts.
Yes.
It's super, super cool.
Awesome. Thanks for showing me.
Thank you.
Okay.
How y'all doing?
Ice, baby. Ton of ice.
Starting at 1.75.
And if you want a home in the Bahamas, you can. So are you guys renting timeshares, selling timeshares, or what's it about?
Timeshares, we do have some rental properties
Okay.
in Grand Bahama. We have 2 properties actually right across from each other. One is on the waterfront, beach side, so you get your own private beach access.
Okay.
The other side is canal front.
Okay.
So you know, dock, if you come in with a boat, you want to pull up on the boat.
Yes.
You have a slip and everything, no problem.
Cool.
And then we actually have our new development, the O2 Resort, in Grand Bahama as well. We're gonna have 13 properties.
Okay.
9 waterfront, 4 garden view. Everybody gets their own dock, deep water dockage as well. So if you're coming in with a boat and you draw, say 5, 6, 7 feet, no problem. You'll be able to get in there, pull your boat right up to the dock. And that's located right here, the island of Grand Bahama, located right down here on the Star in Freeport, where there is no property tax. And if you're going there by boat, say from West Palm Beach all the way to Freeport, it's only roughly about 70 to 80 miles, depending on where you're going from, you know. And it's depending on the boat you're in, you can get there as little as 2 hours, as long as 10 hours, you know. And if you fly there with our sister company Buzz Airlines, we'll get you there anytime, anywhere. We have a wide variety of planes that you can fly on.
And
Go ahead.
yeah, I was just gonna ask to finish up. How does one get a hold of you guys? Do you have a website or anything?
Yeah, so we have a website, o2resort.com. Right down here, the o2resort.com. You can search us there.
Great.
And you could find this property. You know, we have the floor plans. You know, you can see what you would be looking into.
Okay.
And specifically, you can contact Jenna Isot,
Okay.
who is my lovely coworker right here.
Okay. Absolutely. Thank you very much, sir.
Hey, guys.
Okay. They have a fleet of planes, as you guys saw. If you don't want to buy your own private jet, worry about maintenance and all of that stuff, keeping up with certification and paying pilot and crew salaries, then you can just join that deal. I think it's a pretty sweet deal. Look at those LED lights up there. Sweet. It's got radar. Let's see how much this is. More readily available information. So we'll just continue. Yellowfin.
They make them for 42 also.
Oh, this one is massive. These are the big boys. These are the big boys. Let's take a look here. See what we are dealing with. And just for a reminder, if it's your first boat show, take your shoes off always before you step on the boats. This is a 39 offshore. And 39 feet long. And no price listed. If you have to ask, then probably you can't afford it. Beautiful boat. All set up for fishing. It's huge. It's got the lighting. I think, I'm not sure. And look at that. It's got the, you call it the stern thrusters to stabilize the boat. It's huge, 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 huge. Wow. And this one should be more stable. See right through. Again, you take off your shoes and then you gain access to the boat. Riva Motorsports.
Yeah, right, that's it.
Have some Yamahas here.
So from Naples, we're about 2
Wave
hours.
runner.
What is your next? Do you have your next delivery day?
Well, dude, I would put up my
Let's continue. That's the future, guys. The future is electric.
That's aluminum with carbon fiber.
It's pushing. It's pushing hard. Here we have a Mastercraft saltwater boat. Check out the lighting. Everything these days is LED. So
Come on in.
It's really beautiful. Iceman. And here you have the rod holder flagpoles for your pride and joy for your boat. This one looks really interesting. It's protected, so you can stay inside.
Hanging out at one of the barns. Kept the rice maker on. That's for damn sure.
Let's take a look here. It's from Ultimate Marine 2023 X0 Explorer 10S, powered by a Twin Mercury 250 XL and MSRP 315, but for the boat show it's reduced to 289,000. Let's take a quick look so you guys can see what it looks like. I'm not gonna get on board, but just take a look.
So I've been to Italy, but different parts of Italy.
Hope you guys got a look. And here you have the 2023 Seabourn LX26, 163,000, or payments of $1,076. Good. And it has a trailer. That's how you get on. And there's a little door here which you can close. I don't know the technical name of the door, but you close it and yeah, it's watertight. Pontoon, triple hull, great party boat. These ones are really, really huge. A serious boat. 700,000, as you guys can see right there.
47. So the deal with 47 is a factory.
With a double, it's a double inside.
Cape Horn. Boat key. Check out that engine. Yeah. Just the engine, each of these is at least 60 to 75,000. It's amazing.
My lake is only 19 miles long. So.
And there are some of the specs. You can pause and take a closer look.
It's okay.
And here you have a racing engine, single engine, Active Thunder. The specifications, I don't have them here, but you can see what it looks like. Little shelter in there. The finish is great. It just looks awesome. Here's the command station. Passengers. Same thing with the 300 Racing 300 engine. Beautiful boats. Oh, this is marine fuel. There's just been a revolution in the boating industry. The new boats coming out, the technology that has trickled down, it's just amazing. And we see more and more of electrics. I wonder what this is. They have a device here from, not sure what it does or what it is. If you know, guys, let us know in the comment section.
I swear to God.
And over there you have the Garmin screen that's closed.
Thank God it was on.
Oh, I didn't bring it. I don't know how it ended up in there.
Let's continue.
It's been hanging in there forever.
Some information
I'm
here.
gonna need this.
About the boat. That's just to give you an idea of the prices. Here we have the rocket. Let's take a look here. The artwork is amazing. Ceramic coated.